really looking forward for some changes in the regulation that would allow us to proceed with our activity, and we are very excited for the development in this region.
Policy makers, decision makers, EPC companies, investors, financiers. It was a great possibility to meet all of them at one place, to share experience with them, to hear from their side what are the challenges and what are the lessons learned. So I find the conference very successful in that way.
I think it was great. I think it was a very good opportunity to catch up with the sector here and the different market participants.